Hey, how's it going? This is Amir, right? Ex Navy information systems technician. Working here at Cooperative Laundry. Been working here for about a month and a half, and I'm having fun. All of this stuff is just very interesting to me. Coming out of the military with my IT background, I was dead set on staying in the IT realm, and I came out, got my first job as a system administrator at a managed service provider, and I just wasn't fulfilled, and I was looking for something else, and I went around looking for something that I could do with my hands, something with along the lines of electronics, and there were a lot of electronic technician jobs that I saw out there, but I didn't feel that I had the knowledge to get my foot in the door. And here came Cooperative Laundry, and it's been a dream come true. It's been everything that I've been looking for in a job career. It's taking my previous IT knowledge and introducing me into a new realm, which is mechanics, electricity, and pneumatics. We work with gravity on the rail system and the hydraulic press. It's just everything that I've been wanting to do, involving what I already know.